It's pumpkin season and we sell a ton of these in our shop during this time. So I'm going to show you how we create them. So I always start with these little craft sticks. They have an adhesive on the top that you peel off, and that's how we put in the lid to these containers. And there's lots of containers that have a style like this, but then we can stick that right down on the floral foam and our greenery. Those little picks come in different sizes too. Then I'm going to go in with my filler first. That's not my typical order, but right now I'm just trying to get the shape. And when it comes to filler like the solidago and the wheat and fall arrangements, I feel like they become more of the star of the show than any other season. Now I'm just going in with some roses and I'm going to group them in the front. I realize I'm showing you the back of the arrangement. This is not super helpful. I promise I'll flip it around here quickly. So we've got our roses in there and now some Safari Sunset to give a little bit of height. There we go. Thanks, Sarah. That's way more helpful. But I tell you what, arranging from the back is a little more difficult. Here's a few more stems of Safari Sunset that we've kind of grouped in that side. And this is a super fast and easy arrangement. If you're a beginning florist or you're just trying to crank out a lot of time, this is it. And here we go. Final product. I hope you guys enjoy.